River animals. Catfish. The catfish is a freshwater fish characterized by its smooth, scaleless body, often in dark or brown hues. With a broad mouth, catfish excel in capturing bottom-dwelling prey, such as small fish, insects, and aquatic plants. They primarily inhabit freshwater environments like rivers, lakes, and marshy areas. Catfish. Catfish. Frog. Frogs, cold-blooded creatures, boast smooth, moist skin and powerful hind legs, adapted for hopping. Typically found near water bodies, they feed on insects, worms, and small invertebrates. The unique croaking sound of frogs serves for mate attraction or signaling to other animals. Frog. Frog. Crayfish. Crayfish, a 10-legged crustacean, features a slender body with a hard exoskeleton and large claws. Thriving in freshwater habitats like rivers, lakes, and swamps, crayfish are omnivores, consuming aquatic plants, small invertebrates, and decaying organic matter. Crayfish. Crayfish. Newt. Newts, small amphibians, exhibit a slim, textured body and undergo both aquatic and terrestrial life stages. Feeding on insects, worms, and small invertebrates, newts utilize their skin for oxygen absorption, enabling them to breathe underwater. Newt. Newt. Salmon. Salmon, large fish inhabiting both freshwater and saltwater, possess silver scales and robust bodies. They typically spawn in freshwater, then migrate to the ocean to grow. Adult salmon return to their birthplace rivers for spawning, completing their life cycle. Salmon are significant targets for commercial and recreational fishing. Salmon. Salmon. Water snake. Water snakes are aquatic snakes with long, slender bodies and smooth scales. Proficient swimmers, they prey on fish, frogs, and other small aquatic animals. The appearance and behavior of water snakes may sometimes be mistaken for venomous snakes, but most water snakes are non-venomous. Water snake. Water snake. Freshwater clam. Freshwater clams are filter-feeding mollusks found on the river or lake bottom. Typically equipped with a hard shell for protection, they use specialized filter organs to extract microorganisms and organic matter from the water. Freshwater clam. Freshwater clam. Beaver. Beavers are large semi-aquatic mammals with flattened tails and powerful incisors. They construct nests from tree bark and branches and build dams near water sources. Beavers primarily feed on tree bark and tender leaves. Beaver. Beaver. Otter. Otters, proficient swimmers with waterproof fur and elongated bodies, differ from beavers in several ways. Unlike beavers, otters do not build dams or construct large lodges. Instead, otters create smaller nests, or holts, along riverbanks or shorelines. While beavers primarily feed on tree bark, otters have a more varied diet, including fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic organisms. With agile paws and remarkable swimming abilities, otters excel in hunting underwater. Otter. Otter. Irrawaddy dolphin. The Irrawaddy dolphin is a species inhabiting the brackish waters, where rivers meet the sea. Recognized by a rounded head, lack of a pointed snout, and folds on its back and dorsal fin, Irrawaddy dolphins are typically found in river and delta regions, preying on fish and invertebrates. Due to habitat loss and fishing pressures, the Irrawaddy dolphin faces survival threats. Irrawaddy dolphin. Irrawaddy dolphin.